The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on me. It's going to take you to your, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. It's going to take you right here to your profile detail right here. The first item on the list here is your photo. You can simply click on here and then select a photo that you would like to be in your profile from your phone album right here. So once you select a photo, it's going to be added right here. You can also go to name right here. You can change your name right here and decide to change your WeChat name and hit on save. Then you have your name right here. Here you can also change your gender. So if you are male or female, you can change your gender here. Most especially, maybe when you are trying to create the account, you mistakenly choose female. So this is an opportunity for you to switch to male and click on done. And the next thing you want to the next thing you can do right here is that under the region right here, maybe you change country. You can simply click on the region right here and choose your current country right here. So you can switch to whatever country of your choice. Let's say you are from this country, and then it's going to be reflected in your country region right here. The next one here is the phone number you use to create your WeChat account. If you click on that here, you can change your phone number that is linked to the account. And for you to do that, simply click on change mobile number right here and follow the prompts there. You're going to successfully change the number linked to your account. And one more thing you can do here is that you can view mobile contacts from your phone. That is, your friends that are on WeChat, you can simply click on here. So when you click on here, it's going to show you all the friends that you have on your phone that are using WeChat. Then from here, you can easily add them to your WeChat contact. You can send them friend requests from this particular section in mobile contact right here. These are the stuff you can do under this mobile section right here. Just like what you see right there. These are all friends in my contact list right here that are on WeChat. So I can easily click on add, and add them to my WeChat contact right here. Let's go back. And one more thing you can do right here, you can also click on this show right here. So when you click on show right here, it allows you to see the detail number that you use to create your WeChat account. Should in case you forget the number you use to create your WeChat account. That's simple. So let's simply go back right here. Then the next thing you can do right here, you can move to your WeChat ID right here. So I have already changed my WeChat ID. That is why I have already changed my WeChat ID. That is why you see something like this. But from your home end, your WeChat ID may be kind of long letter and character. And for you to change your WeChat ID to name or numbers, click on change WeChat ID right here. And then you will have to enter your login password. Enter your login password and click on verify. Then you will have to enter a new WeChat ID. Then click on save. Then your WeChat ID is going to change to the name or numbers you enter in that section right here. The next one here is my QR code right here. So click on my QR code and save you right here. What are the things you can do with your QR code right here? You can come to scan right here. When you click on scan, you can scan QR code to add friends to your contact list on WeChat. If you click on change style right here, this allows you to switch different color of the WeChat friend QR code right here. You click on save image right. So if you click on save image right here, it saves the QR code to your phone gallery. Then from there, you can share the QR code to friends and they can add you to their contact list on their WeChat. If you want to reset your QR code, click on this three dot right here. You can reset your QR code right here. You can edit image and you can save it to your gallery. You can also share to friends. It's that simple. You can also share on the moment and you can add it to your favorite on your WeChat account. Let's go back right here. And then so under the thing right here, you can set your nickname to whatever you might think. You can set my nickname right here. So for you to set your nickname, just click on here and enter your nickname right here. Then enter your nickname, click on done, and it's going to be updated successful, just like what you see right here. So right here, what's up? So this is just a kind of moment message right here. You can add whatever you like right here. Then down below right here, under the ringtone for incoming calls, here, this is where you can change your ringtone. You can decide to use the default ringtone, or better still, click on change right here. When you click on change, you have access to so much ringtone right here that you can easily select any one of them right here and use it as your incoming calls ringtone on your WeChat account. Then let's go back. Go back. So next one right here is my address. You can add your contact address right here into your WeChat profiles, or better still, you can click on this plus sign right here and fill up this detail: recipient name, phone number, region, address info, and postal code, and then click on save. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the next one right here is my piano title. So you can click on this plus sign right here and add your detail, your company name, your tax ID, your company address, your mobile number, register bank name, and bank account number. You can add all the details right here in your WeChat account. So let's go back. The very last one right here is Wimby. Wimby right here is a kind of app right here that you can use for WeChat channel and some other stuff. You can decide to enable it by click on agree and enable. So when you click on agree and enable, it's going to load up and show you what this particular service is mostly all about. You can click on about Wimbies. Click on about Wimbies. Virtual gift card in live in channel lives, paid content of channel live, paid content of official account, promote channel and live stream content, pay sticker in sticker gallery. Click on got it. This is what everything you need to know about Wimbies details right here. So if you want to disable the software, you can simply click on here to disable it. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to completely set up or edit your profile on your WeChat account. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.